The butterflies and plants have been partners for millions of years, and there's no better place to witness this than at the Butterfly Pavilion near Denver in Westminster, Colorado. Plants provide nectar for butterflies, and in turn, the butterflies transport pollen from one plant to another, allowing the plants to set seed. Butterflies also use plants as egg-laying sites. The Butterfly Pavilion is one of the few places where a visitor can wander around a tropical rainforest and explore a short grass prairie in a matter of minutes. The plant collections here provide food and shelter for the butterflies and other invertebrates, as well as learning opportunities regarding gardening and biology. Conservation goes hand in hand with the horticulture programs, from sustainable gardening to education about the importance of habitat diversity worldwide. For more information, go to www.butterflies.org.